Hello guys, in this video I will remove the rear door panel. This is a Passat CC from 2016. I made a video a long time ago with the front one, an older model, but it's still working for this 2016. It's the same. On the back you will need two plastic removal tools and a T30. First you need to remove this plastic cover, because underneath you will have a Torx, a screw. You need a plastic removal tool with a thin head. Don't remove it here or there, because if you damage this trim you will see it, but here, back here, you don't see nothing. Put some force. And it's out. You can see there are built-in clips. You need to remove this thing here where the window switch button is. You need the plastic removal tool. You need to push on this metal clip. Don't start with this side, because you can see you will break this. And here there, a screw inside there and another screw there. Now with this plastic removal tool you will use this a lot. Start with this side. I have another one there. 2. 3. After you pop up all the clips, you need to pull apart. Take this out first. 1, 2. Here is your door panel. In case you want to remove the swiper, pull the left and right out. This is your swiper. If you want to remove this chrome trim on the back, on the outside, start with the front side. With your hands, make like this, back and forth and upward in the same time. Slowly. Now very careful. And it came out like that. Okay guys, this is it. Maybe I will make a video on how to remove the door handles, front and back. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.